Come on. You gonna give me a stroke? Hey? Hey? What's he doing? Oh, that's a boy. Hello. Gentle. Actually, you might have been the better one. It's a miserable day today, eh guys?